Welcome to Debt Busters and welcome to another YouTube video. This channel is all about earning money online by making faceless YouTube videos. If that sounds like something you're interested in, click the subscribe button and pay very close attention to this video. Two of the biggest concerns when it comes to the video creation process are the choice of good editing software and tools, and how will a given video earn the content creator money. For editing, you can either start with simple editing applications or go all the way up to complex applications like Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, Apple Final Cut Pro X, etc. In addition to this, we know that faceless YouTube channels have the ability to earn as much or more money than personality or talking head channels. Here are some statistics demonstrating that faceless video content is viable and preferred by marketers and customers alike. 86% of businesses prefer to use faceless video content as a marketing tool. 93% of marketers consider video to be a significant aspect of their marketing strategy. 94% of marketers say video has helped their clients better understand their products or services. Furthermore, 78% of marketers report that video content has significantly helped their sales. Content creators need a powerful tool that could make content as well as Adobe and Apple products while still being easy to use and integrate into a marketing strategy. That's where Vidnami comes into play. To summarize, Vidnami was a powerful video creator that allowed you to create professional and breathtaking videos, all without appearing on camera and without the need for any technical or editing knowledge. All you needed to do was take an existing blog or script, click a few times, and the software would create beautiful videos on demand with no editing expertise required. Vidnami was the king of faceless content creation software. Unfortunately, Vidnami closed in August 2021. However, there are several pieces of software that have risen to fill the gap left in Vidnami's wake, including FlexClip, a simple, powerful, and adaptable video maker that allows you to quickly create faceless YouTube videos. In this video, we will be talking about FlexClip as an alternative to Vidnami, and as well everything you need to know about these online editing tools. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. What are your thoughts on FlexClip? Are you willing to try it for yourself for free using our link in the description? Comment down below and let's engage. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community posts. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let's talk about Vidnami first, as it was the benchmark for content creation software. As you know by now, Vidnami is not available anymore. This was one of the most recent technologies for creating interactive video content. You only need a script for your video to use this software. This tool saved me and hundreds of your favorite faceless content creators a lot of time. It enabled users to easily produce and edit videos and provided a full collection of tools for expert video editing. Vidnami relied heavily on AI technology, particularly when transforming written texts into interactive videos. Vidnami's interface was basic and user-friendly, with step-by-step guidance to create videos. It also provided a large number of templates for various social media and web platforms. You first create a Vidnami account before you can select themes, add scripts, change your text, select a voiceover, add background music, and edit video clips. Using Vidnami to create high-quality videos was a breeze. The way Vidnami is put up simplifies the procedure even more. So there were simply 6 steps to produce your videos quickly: template, script, scenes, voice, preview video, download video. At least half of the steps take only a few seconds to complete. Vidnami's flexibility was unique, and all ready-to-use templates were highly adaptable. Users can alter fonts, highlight text, and modify many of the stylistic choices provided. Text editing was also accessible, and you could change the text in each scene. The main editing options in the editing bar were bold, italic, and underlined. Unfortunately, Vidnami was purchased by GoDaddy in the summer of 2021. GoDaddy announced plans to roll Vidnami into its content creation suite by December 2021, but that has yet to occur as of this writing nearly 1 year later. Fortunately, many successors rose to replace Vidnami as the go-to faceless content creation software. Now you must know that there is no exact replacement for Vidnami. Unfortunately, there is no one product that does exactly everything that Vidnami did. FlexClip is one of the newest programs created to fill the void left by Vidnami. This video editor is extremely simple to use and intuitive. It is a trustworthy online editor that allows you to easily create engaging videos, even if you are a complete novice. A few things that make video engaging are adding text in the form of typography or animations. This is where FlexClip really stands out. It comes with an easy-to-use interface and plenty of pre-built templates, allowing you to create an awesome typography video in just a few clicks. Furthermore, it provides rich media resources such as fonts, elements, and music to make your typography videos stand out. Furthermore, it not only requires no editing experience, but it is also royalty-free. There will be no additional cost to use this tool. Let's take a look at the key features of this software. Most of the time, when using editing software, you must constantly save your project in order to save your progress, because a single blunder can result in the loss of your data in a matter of minutes. One of the most significant advantages of this online editing software is that it provides real-time cloud storage to prevent video loss. That is, as you work, your project saves in a matter of seconds. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, and have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you've had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your own face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. They also offer live chat support on video editors to help you solve problems. Not only that, but it also allows you to easily import pics and videos from your PC or mobile device. Nobody wants the annoying watermarks on the video while looking for a free and powerful online video editor. In that case, FlexClip is the best online video editor without watermarks because of its simple interface, which successfully balances ease of use and powerful editing tools. For beginners, all editing features are simple to locate and apply to videos. Professionals will enjoy using both basic and advanced tools to realize all of their ideas. It offers 4,000+ designer-looking templates, 4 million+ media stock editing suites, and advanced tools that are only available in paid versions of similar platforms. Furthermore, you can personalize the video with a brand watermark and font to make it stand out. Enticing videos can be accessed with a few mouse clicks. FlexClip may be the most effective way to improve video quality before uploading to YouTube. Furthermore, the best way to improve the quality of your YouTube videos is to use proper color grading. To get color settings on your video and maintain consistent color in the video before uploading it to YouTube, you must make various adjustments such as contrast, brightness, temperature, and more. Luckily, it also offers color grading tools, transitions, and filters. There are numerous free filter effects available in FlexClip. Try out those aesthetic video filters, pick one you like, and apply it to your video. Another way to improve the quality of your YouTube videos is to include an animated subscribe button. A subscribe button can help you make your video more appealing while also reminding viewers to subscribe to your channel. You can easily incorporate one into your video using FlexClip. The most effective tool this software offers is the noise reduction tool. Noises such as room tones, ventilation noises, air-conditioned noises, fan noises, raining sounds, outdoor noises, car noises, cat meows, or dog barks are always present in the recording sound when we make a video. Such noises and hiss sounds significantly degrade video quality. Even if you have the best acoustic environment, use a high-end recorder and set it up properly, your video will still pick up some background noises. Noise reduction is an essential process for producing high-quality video. After all, clear audio is essential for video. You can try muting the noisy video and replacing the sound with noise-free music. That is the simplest method for removing video noise in this tool. The main features are a trimmer, text editor, voiceover, screen recording, animations, and a plethora of effects that can be used to create the desired atmosphere for the video. When you click the Create a Video button, you will have access to all video editing features without having to log in or subscribe. They are ideal for making video ads and videos for various social media platforms. This can also be ideal if you are looking to start your own YouTube automation channel. This software is also a free online video presentation maker and is a one-stop shop for creating and sharing video presentations with your audience. With FlexClip, you can quickly add animations, transitions, audio, and shapes to your presentation video with a few clicks. Any edits you make will improve the overall quality of your video. When you're finished editing, you can generate a short link to the presentation video and share it on any social media platform. You don't have to use a USB to view it on another computer. Now, there are a few key differences between Vidnami and FlexClip. Most notably, there is no use of artificial intelligence. FlexClip, unfortunately, is not an AOA video maker. As a result, it lacks the auto-clip selection and auto voices that you're used to seeing in Vidnami. So if you're looking for an AOA video maker, this isn't a Vidnami alternative for you. However, if you don't mind some manual work and want a better price for your investment, this could be an excellent option. Another drawback is that the media library is inaccessible to non-subscribers. FlexClip is preloaded with millions of royalty-free video, photo, and music resources. A FlexClip ad intro will be added if you intend to use more than one resource from the stock library or export in high resolution. Now that we have covered all the essentials of this software, let us go over the pricing structure for FlexClip. On Vidnami, there was a single monthly plan with a single price for all features. In the case of FlexClip, you actually have multiple plans and the prices will vary depending on whether you pay monthly or annually. FlexClip's subscription plans start from $9.99 per month for FlexClip's basic plan and go up to $29.99 per month for its business plan. However, all FlexClip's packages are substantially less than Vidnami's $47 per month price point. I think it's not that costly for an editor like this. Additionally, you can save up to 50% if you opt to pay yearly. You can try FlexClip for free using my link in the description to see if it's for you. Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2023 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. If you enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen that I selected just for you. Now you have an idea of how FlexClip stacks up against Vidnami, but that won't help you if you're really interested in how you can make videos in the Elon Musk niche. Click the video on your screen if you want to know how to make money on YouTube in the Elon Musk niche. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.